What's up? How the fuck y'all doing? I hope y'all doing okay. I don't be posting a lot. Um, got nappy hair. You feel me? Okay. So, I got me a new truck. That ain't the shit. But it's about to be the shit. You feel me? I can't get my damn hat back on. But I got me a new little tripod. You feel me? It ain't shit. Um, so, you know, squeaky ass door. You gotta understand. Okay, so, new tripod, you feel me? About to, it ain't shit. It's really not, you know. It's some Black Widow, Black Web shit. I got at fucking Walmart. It works. Filmed a couple videos. Last video I filmed it on was the MR2, which didn't really upload. More. Okay, you gotta understand. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the my new truck. It ain't nothing. I did some work to it, as you can tell by the thumbnail. Damn, I really don't know what to say. Shit, it's just I did a lot of work to it. It's kind of rusted out, but yeah. So. Shit. Shout out to the parking skills and bump the fucking ground. So what up? My goodness. So I'm back. Feel me? Going to school, college. You feel me? Getting my education with my GED. Nah, I'm really going to college though. But yo, this is my I don't know, this has been a look, but shit. This is my 2000, why did I say 2000? Boy, this right here is, excuse all the dirtiness. It's my 92 GMC Sonoma or S-10. You know, it's hot as fuck in here, so I get out of the garage. Okay. So, this right here is my 92 Sonoma. I picked this up for about 500. Not looking like this, oh hell no. But to be honest, it looks better right now than when I did pick it up. I took off the bed. Well, these are the things I've done to it that I have not recorded. Took off bed. Kind of creepy ass neighbors was looking at me. I took off the bed. I kind of sanded a lot of stuff down. I took off the back bracing that kind of holds the tire on. Creepy ass neighbors, swear to God. What was wrong with the truck is basically, you kind of see, I took the carpet out. I took the seats out. Other than that, I mean, the damages were the cab mounts. The cab mounts were just completely shot. I got that one welded up. It's fucking mint. You know, beads, horrible as fuck. I'll post another picture of them, what they look like. I took the door covers off because I have new doors, new parts, pretty much. I've been doing a little bit of welding, you know, making them sick beads, bruh. Fucking mint. I got the driver's side fender off so that I can see how much damage was done to the door. As again, I got new doors, new everything over there. Shit's about to be fucking Mitch match. I'm keeping the hood. Hood is fucking mint. But there's a lot of shit that I gotta do to it. Not really expensive, but it's that new project truck. I pretty much did about a lot of work to it already. I'm actually surprised that I can do a lot of shit to it. What I want to do with this is by next year, I want to put in a I want to put in a V8. I was thinking about putting the LT1 in here. Right now, it has the 4.3. Oh yeah, the door used to not close all the way. But as you can see, it's got the 4.3 V6. It's not a bad motor. This thing spins tires, surprisingly. When I picked this up, the lady said that the tires alone were worth about 500. I mean, these are some good ass tires, can't lie. But not really what I want to use for the project. So, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with them. I might sell them. But pretty much, I mean, it's kind of rusty. I don't expect anything special for 500. The lady was selling it for about 800. I came through. I said, woo woo, you know, I'll pick it up right now for 500. She said, bet. I said, bet. 30 minutes later, it was a bet. So pretty much what I want to still do on this truck is get these front cab mount braces. see. There we go. That's a better view right there. Get those cat mount braces welded up. I mean, the welds aren't perfect. You know, I've been only welding for a couple days now, so you know, I can't really say. I think I did a good job, but yeah, you can just rip me a new asshole if you want. Oh yeah, so the motor, you know, I got a 4.3 in here that's gonna be ripped out, and I have a, what is it, a 700 R4 for the transmission. It shifts good. I've driven it a couple times. Can't really drive it right now because I ain't got no fucking seat. But my plans, you know, V8 turbo, is getting an LT1 or 350. I'm gonna have this built up. You know, I never really have a truck. It's my first truck ever. So any advice, you know, helps for swapping in a V8. I might not be posting regularly though, because, you know, I do work about 30-40 hours a week, plus I go to school, so it's not really, I really wouldn't know how to manage my time. So I'm used to driving this, my 2001 Pontiac Grand Am. Still needs work. Shit gets me to A and B. Being easy a bitch, always. B is always a bitch. Never less, never more. It's chill though, you know. Still got some rot in the fenders, some rot in the rocker panels. The door is completely shot. But I do have a question for you guys. This truck for 92, I'm surprised, came with automatic windows and automatic doors. And I know that I probably need to take out the window regulator and everything, but they're riveted. How the fuck do I do all that shit? The doors that I have are manual. Everything is manual on them. So I kind of want to swap everything over. How would I do that? As again, I'm junking the complete door. Probably keeping the mirrors because the mirrors are still good. But, you know, swapping in the automatic doors, automatic windows, probably a push button start would look nice. Put some subs back here, some racing seats. But other than that, yeah, if you guys have any questions or, you know, any type of help that you can give me towards, you know, welding, because, you know, my welds are complete garbage, but they hold. And taking off, you know, the door accessories, even the locks. If you guys can help me with the locks, I kind of want to keep the factory, the original locks that are on this door. Oh, wait. I don't know about the mirrors though, because the motherfuckers, ooh, I don't know. But other than that, yeah, this is my 92. Let's say S-10, because everybody calls it that. But it's a Sonoma. But yeah, thanks for checking it out, you know. I ain't the one to say subscribe, but, you know, just subscribe.